Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all my Indian weight loss diet plan because you all have been requesting me that we want something related to Indian in our food, that is roti or parantha and whatnot. We Indians have been grown up by eating these things like roti, parantha and whatnot. Today I'll be sharing with you all super weight loss roti recipe that you can have twice a day and you will be able to still reduce pretty much amount of weight from your body. The recipe for this weight loss roti is very easy. It will help cure your water retention, it will help cure your bloating issues, it will increase your metabolism and also help you reduce weight very quickly. Now the first thing we'll do is mix all the dry ingredients for the dough. For the weight loss roti, we will need first is jaw atta or also known as barley atta. Second is oats atta or oats flour, very easily available in the markets, or you can also buy all the ingredients that I'll be mentioning right now online. I'll link them all in the description box below. Next thing is grounded flax seeds or also known as alsi. Alsi will help you improve your insulin response. It will help you get cured of the deficiency of omega-3 fatty acids. Now if you want to know all the good qualities of flax seeds and how you can reduce weight with flax seeds, I have a complete video on this thing. I'll link it down in the description box below. You can check it out from there as well. And some ajwain also known as carom seeds. Now mix all these three ingredients in a container and keep them aside. Now let's start with the diet plan. Now start your morning with ajwain water. Now how to prepare this water? It's very easy. Boil 1 tablespoon of ajwain and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, that is dalchini powder, in approximately 8 glasses of water. Now after boiling, let this water cool down and keep having this water for the rest of your day and also as your early morning drink. 15 minutes after this drink, you will have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts. Now those who want to have tea in their breakfast, you can have tea after having your nuts. 15 minutes after your nuts, you can have your tea or coffee, adding no sugar to it at all. Now it's time for your breakfast. For your breakfast, the dough we prepared, we'll prepare a parantha out of it now. Now to prepare the parantha, it's very easy. In your dry ingredients, add any kind of vegetable that you want to add. You can add chopped onions, you can add mooli, you can add spinach, blanched and pureed spinach. It is good for protein content. Add the seasonings, that is pink Himalayan salt, some black pepper powder, some red chili powder and some roasted jeera powder as well. Prepare smooth paranthas out of it, but do not fry the parantha on the tawa. Dry roast the parantha completely and then on your plate add 1 teaspoon of desi ghee over it. Desi ghee is a natural fat burner. So add 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. It's good for your joints, it's good for your health, it's good for your immune system as well. And enjoy your weight loss parantha. Now it's time for your mid-morning snack, for which you will have 1 cup of green tea, freshly brewed green tea. Or you can have any of these 3 teas, that is peppermint tea, apple cinnamon tea or Kashmiri kahwa or whatever you want to have. Plus 1 fruit of your own choice. If you do not want to have any kind of green tea, you can also have lassi or chas. Just add black pepper powder and some roasted jeera powder to it. It will taste wonders. It's time for your lunch. Now for your lunch, we'll have same weight loss roti, but this time we won't make a parantha out of it. We'll make a complete chapati out of it and have it with 1 small katori of veg, that is seasonal veg, and some curd, that is raita. You can prepare cucumber raita, you can prepare ghee raita as well, and some salad. Now it's time for your mid-evening snack, for which we will have tea or coffee as per your own choice. If you want to have tea, you can have tea, but do not add any kind of sugar to it. And as a snack, you can have any of the healthy snack ideas that I have mentioned in my video, healthy snack ideas for weight loss. The link will be in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Now it's time for your dinner. We'll do a star night, that is we'll have our dinner at approximately 7:30 p.m. for which we'll have stir-fried vegetables or sauté vegetables as well. Or if you don't want to have stir-fried vegetables, you can also have 1 katori of dal along with salad and you're good to go. For your late night, for example, if you feel hungry after your dinner, before going to bed, you can have chamomile tea. It is best to relieve your body from the stress. It will make you stress-free, promote good sleep as well, and increase and boost your metabolism to help you lose weight fast as well. So have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. If you want to buy this tea, the link will be in the description box below. You can check it out there as well. Do not forget to drink at least 2 liters of water with this diet plan, as it will help you lose weight fast and also keep you hydrated for the entire day. 30 minutes of brisk walking or any kind of workout will do wonders with this diet plan. And this diet plan is a sugar-free diet plan plan. If you want to have any kind of sweet, you can have 1 piece of dark Belgian chocolate, but not more than 1 piece. Follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. I post and upload daily there about what I eat in a day and how my diet goes each and every day. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meals that I have mentioned right now in this video, and I promise to revert back to you as soon as possible. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel as it means a lot to me, and press the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post on YouTube. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.